Hello and welcome to my cleaning closet tour. Welcome to my ultimate cleaning closet tour. So this is my ultimate cleaning closet. As you saw in my studio tour, you saw that I placed this closet in a weird nook in my kitchen, which ended up creating a built-in around my refrigerator. And I needed a place to store my cleaning tools, so this became the perfect solution. This closet is actually from the Home Depot. I changed out the handle to make it match the rest of my kitchen. And it comes with multiple shelves, but I just needed the one. So I needed the one to hold my Lazy Susan, which holds all of my homemade cleaning products. So be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss the next video where I show you exactly how I make up all of my homemade cleaning products. And then in this caddy, I hold several detail cleaning tools, including the attachments for my vacuum, a car detailing kit which contains these detailing brushes, along with these detailing toothbrush type brushes. And it also came with this microfiber cleaning cloth. I use these brushes for many purposes, including cleaning small appliances, along with I just cleaned my vacuum, I clean my humidifier. I also dust more intricate items around the house. Then I have these furniture markers, which I like to keep handy in here when I go around dusting. If I notice any nicks on the furniture, these fill them in and make the furniture look like new again. And then I have these walnut scrubbing sponges. I keep one at the sink and I keep the backup here. And then I have steel wool, which I use to clean the enamel on my cast iron pan. And here I have a magic eraser. And here I have an extra microfiber cleaning pad that goes on my microfiber mop. So this is my microfiber mop, which I got from Target. It includes a spray bottle and a mechanism to actually apply the spray to the floor, which I love. And here is my scrub mop, which is two-sided. You use the sponge side for regular cleaning, and then the scrubber, you flip it to use the scrubber side to scrub anything that's really stuck on. And I love this little mini broom and dustpan. My favorite part about it is the teeth. It helps to clean the brush. Then I have this squeegee. And here I have this iron handle brush. These hooks are absolutely the best. They are totally stuck on this cabinet. They are not budging and not coming off. I got them on Amazon. You can find them at the link below. And if you didn't know how to store a stick vacuum on the Shark marbles, I know for sure, you just need to remove the top and set it on the hook at the bottom, and your vacuum is able to stand on its own, so you don't have to worry about it falling over and breaking. One of my favorite parts about this cleaning closet are these bag clips I attached. I actually got them from At Home, and I attached them using E6000 glue. And they're perfect because they allow me to hang my cloths in between uses, so that they're able to dry, and the next time I need to use them, they're nice and dry again. And if you notice how clean my cleaning cloths are, I just washed them using my homemade laundry detergent. And I actually have a whole video on how I make all of my homemade laundry products. I'll link that video in the description. So be sure to stay tuned next week where I show you how I create all of my cleaning products, including an all-purpose cleaner, a disinfectant, a degreaser, which is also a soap scum remover, a glass cleaner, and a toilet bowl cleaner. I actually have all of my cleaning product recipes available in my freebie library, which is also linked down below. This is the first detailed tour of an organized space in my tiny studio. I'll be showing you room by room, space by space, how I organize each area in our studio. Be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you don't miss another video. If you like this video, give it a like. If you think anyone would be interested in it, can you please share it? You subscribing, liking, and commenting on my video helps my video to move up in the algorithm so other people can find it. Until my next video, happy organizing!